All right, art students, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna use a ruler and we're gonna use some cold colored crayons, okay? So cold colors would be blue, purple, and green. All right, so let's go ahead and have some fun here. We're gonna just simply draw some straight lines. Right up against your ruler so they're nice and straight. Okay, and they don't even have to run parallel to each other like this if you don't want them to. If you want them to overlap each other, you could have them overlap. Just make sure they're nice and straight. And I'm gonna do this for my whole entire background. And there's probably a lot of different types of colors of crayons. So go ahead and have fun picking out different shades of different colors. Be careful to go around all of your objects, because remember, this is just for the background. I think I wanted some dark purple. Remember, we want straight lines. I like to do a little bit more of this light green color maybe. And you know what? Maybe I can find a light blue color, like a turquoise. I like turquoise. Okay, we'll do a few of these. Okay, then after you're done drawing some straight lines with the cold colors, now what we're going to do is we're going to have fun with some watercolor paints. Okay, so with the watercolor paints, you are going to use the cold colors again, and that would be blue, green, and purple, these three colors right here. And we are going to do the entire background of our artwork with those three colors. Now, with the paint, you can be a little bit more loose, a little bit more free with it. I think I like the blue up here. And you can change the value of your watercolor paint if you simply take out more of the pigment and you use more water. That will be how you make your color appear lighter. For example, over here, do you see how this looks lighter and this looks darker? That's because I used more pigment over here, and over here I used more water to make it appear lighter. I want you to also pay attention to the value while you're painting. And let's see here, let's do some deep, deep, dark, rich blue right here. And I think I want to carry out a very light just a poke of blue, very light blue up here. There we go. And I think we're going to transition into a different color. Let's work with some purple or violet. We're going to work with that down here. Let's get that nice and vibrant, more pigment. If you don't know what pigment is, it's what makes up the actual color of the paint. Without pigment, you would not have color in your paint. I'm gonna kind of blend them together where they meet to form like an indigo color. And let's play with some lighter shades over here. I'm gonna add some water, take out some of the pigment to have a lighter shade, or a lighter tint, I should say, rather so. I really want you to exercise value, lights and darks, as well as transitioning from light to dark. That's what a lot of this project is about. Over here, maybe I'll do some green. Green, green, green. Mr. Glowacki's favorite color. You might be noticing that the when you're painting over your crayon, that the wax is resisting the watercolor. That's because water and wax don't mix. And that is the wonderful technique that we call water resist. I'm gonna use a light shade of green, mix in some water here. Drag some of that green up there, some added water. Give it a lighter shade up here. Get it really, really good right here. And then I think what we're going to do is over here we are going to add some lighter green. Just like that. And then you're all done.